Here's one you'll like. It's my Japanese flavored jerky. Again, it's 8 pounds venison, lean beef. This also would be really good on chicken or turkey. 5 teaspoons salt, and that's the regular table grind. 4 tablespoons Japanese pepper sauce, and this stuff can get pretty hot, so stick with about 4 tablespoons of it, you'll be okay. 2 teaspoons curing salt, 6 tablespoons of honey, 1/2 cup sherry, and that will be a cooking type sherry. You don't have to open up a real expensive bottle, just use cooking sherry. 4 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup oyster sauce, 1/2 cup hoisin sauce, 1 cup light soy sauce, 1 cup dark soy sauce, and then 2 cups of water.